Different classes here the candidates for graduation and completion ang nala from the pre-elementary.
Okay, ni?
Borja Jose Amos
The fifth.
the fifth,
Okay, I will share to
the
you
son
the
of
topic.
Kathleen
Proud.
Kathleen.
Kathleen
Kathleen.
A. Dantes and Jose Gerard Borja the fourth.
The ambition.
His ambition is to become a doctor. Kahelo Javen, the son of
Hi,
Mr.
Okay, so we have here. Our topic for today is about shopping. About shopping. Okay, so do you shop, ni? Do you shop? Do you go mall or wherever? Ni, can you hear me?
Virtually O'Brien,
Ha?
Mr.
Do you shop in the mall?
Mrs. Maura A. Ano, Giovanni P. Sagario.
Okay.
Mrs. Maridette E.
So we have vocabulary words. We have the word wallet, ni. Refund. Yes.
We learned this.
You learned that shopping? Are you sure? Wait me, ha.
Mama ni Phil, Papa ni Phil.
Kana day wala na si.
Mama ni Phil.
Wa jud ko kay Boday. Si Jang Catherine na si Jisa. Okay, sa ba na siya? 5D pre-intermediate. Okay, and 8.5 reading. Okay, wait me, ha.
Gamutan Katrina Teresa Shahi.
Di ba kung hindi mo nasa
Castolo. Gamutan na siya, G.
Katrina sa G.
Kasi ga-doctor na, ga-masters na. Pero kasi ga-doctor na pa.
Rex?
Kana, Rex ninyo na. 8.5 reading. Sorry, ni. Oh, we have to touch on the reading. 8.5 reading.
Do you want F1? Do you want then control?
Diyan rin pa picture ako arehan.
Okay, wait me ha, just a minute. Kaping mag-init ni. Okay, here. So let us have to do the writing first. Okay, for this one. Tomorrow, sorry. Yeah, tomorrow teacher is not available. I will see you on Friday, yeah? Tomorrow is graduation day. It's a recognition of honors tomorrow. So teacher and is quite busy tomorrow. I will go on the street. I will go on the hotel.
Mr. Ali Cunyado.
Jacob C. S. This is oriented Francis Lake. This is Rosemary. Mrs. Lady Espinosa. Mother. Second officer Noel B. Espinosa. Kasi pare bilo ko na siya position.
Broker.
King Mr. Serapion.
Engineer na si Serapion.
Kaning
Sa tayo lang.
Kani si Romel.
Masters. Okay, so it's here.
Ilahang mga pangan sila with engineer.
Kinanglan dyan na tayo. You know the verb, you know the part of parents. Okay, so we have here a part 01, 1.5. Here are some of the sentences about train journey. For each question, complete the second sentence so that it means the same as the first. Use no more than 3 words. Write only the letter. Sorry, Niha, we have to do the reading for today. I cannot read talking because teacher Ann is quite busy today. Okay, please try to have this one. Okay, discuss. Okay. Please try to do that. I know this is very easy for you. Okay, so please
No,
try
it's
to
very
answer.
difficult.
Huh?
It's very difficult.
Oh, it's very okay for you. Okay, you try. It's okay to get mistakes, huh? It's really okay to get wrong. Okay, no problem with teacher. Okay, I will just go inside the classroom. I forgot something. Huh? Sige, go me. And Friday we're going to have free talking.
Ano ng gold ah?
Okay?
Tanaw na.
Okay.
Wala yun ha? Three elementary department.
Paano naman ako, ano yun?
Three among three were happy.
Tanakan
With
ako.
high honors.
Two was
Excellent
very
award.
good.
Excellent.
Three is, what is your answer for number three? So,
Best.
Will, very good. Oh, see, I told you, you got correct answer. And then, did not or didn't. Oh, very good, Nick.
Best learn the facts. Also to learn exceptional reasoning. Because we have perfect learner award. Creative thinker award. Great hard work and loyal teacher. Mishka Aida Everly Jam with high honor. Best in writing. Best in Finnish. Artistic candidate. Most awas is nice. Sunshine's my
You and your friend Jerry have tickets for a football match. Okay, at the weekend. But now you cannot go. So write a note to Jerry telling Jerry that you cannot go to the football match. Okay?
It's fun to go there.
Okay?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so wait me. Jerry, I have work this weekend, so I cannot go to the football match with you. See you next time. Okay, very good, Ngi. Okay, Ngi, very good. Jerry, so when you're writing a letter, you have to mark this down. Okay, like this, wait me. Okay, wait, this one. Okay, you will write like this. Your content is correct. Very good, Ngi. Okay, but you have to do this. Dear Jerry, I have work this weekend, so I can go to the see you next time. Okay, very good, me. And then your friend me. Your sorry, your friend.
Service Award. That's the Vice President.
Okay, next one. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this one, me, you have to write an answer to one of your questions.
There's so much writing.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, it's writing. Sorry, Ngi, because today it's writing day. Okay, don't worry. Next time we'll be talking. Okay.
Yes, separate malay na. Ayaw na lang isa. Oh, sure. Sure na na, separate mo.
Okay, so here Ngi. So this is part of the letter that you received from a friend. I can't decide whether to buy a new bicycle from a shop or on the internet. Where do you think I should buy it? Is it better to buy some things from the shop? Do you buy things on the internet? So you have to answer these questions from a friend. The friend is asking you. Hey, go me. Three questions only. Okay, you can write Dear Anne. Okay. Dear Anne. You write a letter to me. It's there only.
I have finished.
High
Okay, so we have here, I think you should buy a bike in the shop. Where is I can't decide whether to buy a new bicycle from the shop or on the internet. Okay, I think you should buy bike in the shop because you can choose the type of bike. It's the type, it's not the type, it's the type of bike that you want. Okay, the type of bike that you want. Oh, where we have.
service awareness as president. Dahil si Governor Eric
The type
enthusiastic learner.
the type of bike.
Adoption. Welcome. Responsible learning.
Okay. So what else? Where do you think you should buy it? Is it better to buy some things from the shop? Do you buy things in the internet? Okay, so what is your other answer? Okay, this one also. I think you should buy bike in the shop because we can choose the type of bike that we want in the shop rather than buying or purchasing it in the internet. Okay, as it is really true that you can actually see the bicycle in the shop. Okay. Okay, so okay, question. This is the last one. Your English teacher has asked you to write a story for a homework. Your story must begin with this sentence. I was amazed when I opened the bag. What is a bag? Okay, you write a short paragraph about I was amazed when I opened the bag. Okay, go. So any situation. You find a bag. What is inside the bag? Oh my God, I found there's a gold inside the bag. Oh my God, I can see that there is a lot of money. Okay, you were so amazed. Go.
Left.
Part fully style was the player. Amos. Doktor ako.
Ano sa doktor? No.
Lucy mo ko siya.
Okay, so let us have here. I was amazed when I opened the bag because I forgot my homework and I was so sad. Oh, that's it. You were amazed when you opened the bag that your homework was there. And so you were so amazed. Oh my God, my homework is here. And you were sad because you were not able to pass it to the teachers because you forgot to. Okay, you forgot to bring it in school. You left it in your bag. Okay, is that correct? Iday, padayon sa pagdigwa.
Honorable Junior or Mayor?
Honorable Mayor or Honorable Junior or Mayor Junior?
Honorable.
Sir, Mayor Batang or Honorable?
Honorable, Mr. Ronada.
Mayor Honorable?
Mayor, ay di na siguro oy. Honorable naman sa Ronada.
Honorable Junior.
Honorable na lang.
Ito yung middle name.
Jane Sensoria Kahis Yap. And C. Kahis. Okay. Okay, so here. So, Ngi, I guess this is the end of the sessions. Okay, look at this one. Look at this one. I was amazed when I opened the bag. Inside it were different things. A pink pen, an empty bottle, and a box. And I asked my friend why she gave me that bag. She answered, I know it's your birthday next week. I can come to your birthday party, so I give you those presents. She always said that empty bottle was just for fun. The pink pen was because I love pink. She's pretty good of mind. And the box is a jewelry box. When we open the box, we can hear a beautiful lullaby. I love the presents. I also think of her when I open the box. Okay, yes. Okay, Nick. For today, it's goodbye time. And then, yeah, sorry. Teacher is really busy today. So, next Friday, on Friday, we don't have. So tomorrow we don't have class because teacher will be having the recognition and graduation.
Okay, teacher, you will message me.
I will message you. Okay, so I will see you on Friday. Okay, Friday. Okay? Okay, bye-bye, Nyi. See you on Friday.
Yeah.